This video is the presentation of Dr. Nasser Al-Habsi as delivered in the International Symposium Food Product Development Using Less Utilized Crops, Fruits and Food Waste, Quality and Safety, held on 2nd June 2025 at Sultan Qaboos University, Muscat, Oman. His topic was Advancing Novel Food Products from Low-Value Biser Dates to Support Oman's Agricultural and Food Security Goals. He is an Associate Professor of Food Science and Nutrition, College of Agricultural and Marine Sciences, Sultan Qaboos University, Sultanate of Oman.
Talk about His Majesty Fund on the achievement of the advanced novel food product from low-value Biser dates to support Omani agriculture and food security goals. Date cultivation in Oman, it's a main crop. Half of the harvest consumed low-value Biser date often go to the west. This product create a value-added food from Biser date, promote economic growth, farm income and food security. Align with Oman Vision 20, diversification, sustainability and resilience. Biser productivity in Oman start from harvesting as in a Biser stage, then go to Tabsila, what we call it when it is cooked, the date. The productive of this date, it has different quality. So the range of the price of this product range from 90 to 390 Riyal Omani. And this all goes to India. Now, retailer in India sell the same product from 350 to 2,000 Omani per ton. So we thought of how we can add the value of this product. So the objective of the project was to develop a Mepsli flesh pit powder, analyze property, test powder functionality and food ingredient, produce value-added foods via extrusion, assessing product quality instrumentally and sensorially, calculate Oman date diversification and study the economic. Now here, what is the current situation? We have the Mepsli grown by Omani farmer, government subsidized with $1 million of Riyal Omani, raw fruit exported to India, date pits usually discarded. What is expected outcome? We have that develop a value-added product from dead flesh and pits, reduce subsidized and environmental waste, launch SMEs, Omanis, and you can see from the exhibition there, create 3 food products from Mepsli powder and use treated dead pits to make bread. Now, dead seed powder product, we were successful to produce different size of date pits and become which was insoluble, different added ratio. Now the first outcome of this project is we were successful in producing biodegradable packaging with date seed powder for added which have oxidant and extend shelf life. You can see here from the slide, this is the biodegradable plastic fortified with the dates powder. Also, we were able to extract the composition in date pits composed of cellulose, hemicellulose and lignin. You can see here from the photo using a different method, and finally we were successful to have a very pure cellulose, hemicellulose and lignin. You can see here, this is the lignin. You have there the hemicellulose and cellulose. And the first one there is the date powder, where we were able to produce 3 fractions from the date pits powder. Having this powder, the date pits, we were also able to fortify it in a bread, successful in extending the shelf life of the bread, which is supposed to be 1 week, and we were able to extend to 2 weeks, which is very, very good in terms of bread selling. We also use the same date bits to fortify in a sliced bread, and you can see here it looks with the muffin, and also we use the date powder that we have produced, and it is available in the market. The date powder, we use it to add it in muffins. And you can see that in exhibition we'll have two product. The muffin with no added sugar, and also we have the muffin no added sugar, and also it's a gluten free, and you can test it. And also you can see we were also able to fortify the dairy product, the cheese, with dates bits. And you can see the difference between the two here. We have one with no date bits powder, and the other one with date bits powder. Initially, we face a lot of challenges that the date bits. If you don't grind it and have the uniform and small size powder, you will feel a sandy texture. So we were able to reach to the stage where the size is very small, and you can see the color of the cheese change and look more attractive. And even when you taste the cheese, you don't feel the added date bits. Now the date fruit syrup product, various addition level, sugar substitute, alternative to spreadable chocolate, and free of synthetic ingredient and gluten free. Now here, one of our patent we got from USA. We did stop there, but having only the patent, we were able to commercialize and to reach the market. And here we have the Biser from Biser, used as a snack, is now available locally as a ready-to-eat product. Produce healthy breakfast flakes from date powder with no additive, and this is now in the final stage of patenting, and it is in USA. We're waiting just a good news that to be patented. We were also able to use the date powder from pure date powder without synthetic additives. And in terms of market and exhibition and product demonstration in Al-Moj, where we use the Saturday market, we expose our products. SQ Academic Special Exhibition, Fahour Season Festival. From concept to market, turning innovation into business, signing the agreement to establish a company for product sales, and also launching the student product line, and social media and brand launching highlight. In terms of intellectual property milestone, we were able to submit method for preparing date flakes. Even we have the number already assigned for us. We'll just wait for the final news. Ready for neutralization of odor emitting from food processing and packaging by date pits. We're able to use the date pits as a biochar that can absorb the odor, and it was better than the commercial available one. In preparation stage, a patent for soluble date powder, sugar substitute derived from date syrup. We were able to use the date syrup to convert it to a powder, and in the stage of preparing to submit for patenting. In terms of research and publication, I have supervised over 50 students, bachelor, master, and PhD student in diverse projects related to food development and innovation of date fruit, seed, and syrup. We published more than 10 articles about date seed and their derivatives since 2022, more than 10 manuscripts submitted and drafted. And this is all, and thank you all.